Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram profile background color and explain how it works and why you might see different colors on some creators' profiles. So if you've noticed profiles with purple, green, or other unique backgrounds, and you're wondering how to get that on your own account, make sure to watch until the end. All right, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page. You might be looking around the settings or editing options, trying to find where you can change the background color. But here's the important thing you need to know. Changing the profile background color is not a regular feature available to all Instagram users. Right now, this option is mostly limited to certain high-level creators. You may have seen some creators with special profile colors like purple or green. In many cases, those creators are part of something called Instagram Rings. So what exactly is Instagram Rings? It's an exclusive creator awards program from 2025. It's not a public contest that anyone can join. Instead, Instagram selects 25 creators from around the world who stand out for their creativity, cultural impact, and influence on the platform. The creators who win this program unlock special profile perks. That includes things like custom profile background colors and even unique like button effects on their posts. So if you're not one of the creators selected for the Instagram Rings Awards, unfortunately you won't be able to change your profile background color right now. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about changing your Instagram profile background color.